question, would there be any specific certain technologies or tools that I need to try and learn? Because
Mm,
the only source or only thing that I did was the CAPM thing. I
correct,
tried
correct.
looking out for certain different information or on
Mm,
LinkedIn courses or Udemy. So it's all scattered and not something, what to say, there's not streamlined. So there's too much of
So,
information, I think.
so when it comes to tools, I mean, different companies have their own project management and tracking tools, basically. So even if you know a tool, uh, something that cuts across companies, I think Jira is one, and then Microsoft Project is another one. These are the two which are pretty common. There is Visio that is used, again, Microsoft Visio, which is used to draw timelines and all that. But I think these are the two, three tools that you will find that are used commonly across different companies. But it is very, very possible that in one company that you work in, they use Microsoft Project, and in other company you go, they use a totally different project management tool. In one company, they use Jira because they work in agile environment. In other company, they might have not never heard about Jira. So there is no universal tool as such that all project managers in all companies out there use. So that's that. But it is always good to highlight any project management tools that you might have used on your job. In your resume, if you can highlight that, it basically acts as a keyword. So if an HR is looking for a project manager who knows Jira, and your resume has that word that I know Jira, and it is likely that your resume gets searched and gets shortlisted. But like I said, there is no single tool that every project manager in every company uses. So I would say don't stress too much about project management tools as such.
Thank you.